So today I worked on a simple landing page for setting up a waitlist to try and gather some more interest um, from people. So created it in React using a Tailwind UI component. I'm using this component here. It just had everything I needed, and I opted for an illustration rather than a picture because I obviously don't have any anything yet. So I used an illustration like this. I just got it from Undraw, which is an open source illustration place. Really good. You just tell it what sort of color scheme you want. I opted for like a burnt orange, and then like a more pastel orange for tags and stuff that I use in the app. And then I've got a logo which I just created in Figma. For the main logic of the waitlist, I'm using the waitlist API. So it's just a way of keeping track of everyone who's signed up without you doing anything, and also implements referral links so people can jump the queue. So I can give you an example. I've got the referral link for the person in second place. Oh, not YouTube. If I go like that with the referral link and then sign up a new person. This is my uni email, so please don't spam it. And then, yeah, so it says in position 3 of 3, gives me a referral link. And then if I go back here, it will have moved the second place up to 1 because he's got a referral. So that's how that was set up. The code's really simple for that. It was just a simple post request. You're reading in an environment variable for the API key, which I've hosted the whole thing on Netlify, which is really simple to do. And then if there's a success, then prints what position you're in. Otherwise, there's an error here. And then it reads in the ref just from these 2 lines here. So pretty simple. And yeah, that's what I've done today. Next, I'll be looking into the models more and ironing out the main structure of the platform.